So I'm going to show you how to restore your synthetic wigs and take it from looking like this to this. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you how I rejuvenated my synthetic wig. So for some of you guys that don't know, this is my model Sylvie wig in the color TS Taffy. I purchased her about 2 weeks ago, and I've been wearing her almost every day ever since because I still want to get used to being a blonde, and I can't lie, I really love it. I think this wig is really cute. The color is really cute, but I have a problem, as you can see from my intro. This thing has started to matte. It's bushy on the ends. Sometimes it tangles, and I ain't got no time for that. Don't nobody got no time for that. This is another reason why I haven't really purchased a synthetic wig in a while, but I did like this one, and I decided to give it a go. Because it's synthetic, it's not real hair, it's not even a blend, but I'm gonna show you really quick how I straighten it and rejuvenate it back to the way it was when I first purchased it. Yeah, so if you want to see how I do that, keep on watching. Okay, so what you're gonna need to straighten or rejuvenate your synthetic wig is a brush, a paddle brush, a comb, a flat iron, and the star of the show, which is the Chi Silk Infusion. I purchased this little bottle at Bed Bath & Beyond for about $8 because I used the 20% off coupon. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Chi Silk Infusion serum to my hands, and I'm gonna rub it on the hair, the ends of the hair at that. So I'm gonna take about this much, and I'm going to rub it into the hair on the ends, concentrating on the ends especially. And y'all don't make fun of my wig, my mannequin head. I'm getting a real mannequin head soon. You know, this is the one I bought from the hair store. So I'm just taking the Silk Infusion serum and I'm passing it through the hair. The hair is so stiff, look. So stiff, no life. I'm gonna go ahead and brush it. And I'm gonna start at the end, work my way up. It's hard to brush. And now I'm gonna section it off. Let me grab a clip. Gonna section it off, do one side, do piece by piece, I should say. So I'm gonna use this clip to help me section it off. All right. So then, I'm gonna brush it again, and I'm kind of gonna do like a chase method. Hopefully it works. It should work. So my flat iron is on 380, and I'm gonna pass it through, and I'm gonna run it down the hair. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then I'm gonna do it one more time without the comb. After that, take the brush and brush it out. And as you can see, it's so easy for the brush to pass through. Get another section, and I'm gonna brush first. Again, make sure it's ready to be flat ironed. Take the comb, set it right there, grab my flat iron, and I'm gonna pass it through. I'm gonna do that one more time. Now it's nice and silky. Now I'm going to continue the process throughout the rest of the wig. Now I'm on the final piece, and I'm gonna follow through the same way I did throughout the process of this wig. Now you can see that the wig isn't matted anymore. It isn't bushy, and I can run my fingers through it. Before I couldn't. Yeah. And I can show you guys close up. The hair is smooth. There's no bushiness. It still has some body to it. It isn't as stiff as it was before. Matter of fact, it's not stiff anymore. This is how I restore my synthetic straight wigs and give it back the life that it had when I first purchased it. So I hope you guys like this video. This was a quick how-to restore your synthetic wig and give it back life. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell and go ahead and follow me on all my social media outlets. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.